Good morning, grade 2. Today we will complete solving the science revision sheet for the third quarter. We will start with question number 46. What is true about the sun? As we said, the sun is a star. It's giving off its own heat and light. Let's read the options or the choices. It is part of a constellation. It is the closest star to Earth. It can be seen during day and night. Of course, letter C is an impossible option. We cannot see the sun during night, so it's not letter C. What about letter A? It is part of a constellation. What is a constellation? A constellation is a group of stars which form a pattern, and we could see it at night. So, of course, it's not letter A. What about letter B? It is the closest star to Earth. Of course, it is the right one. Why? Because we said that the sun is the center of the solar system and Earth is one of the 8 planets which revolve or move around the sun. So the sun is the closest star to Earth. That's why we see it big. The next one. What kind of object at the center of the solar system? A moon, a planet, or a star? We said that the center of the solar system is the sun, and the sun is a star. So the answer will be letter C. The next question, 48. About how long does it take Earth to rotate one time? How long does it take Earth to turn around its axis, as we said? 24 hours, 24 days, 24 years. We said that it takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate around its axis or around itself. One time, Earth takes 24 hours. The next question. Choose the picture that shows how a person might dress in summer. What is the weather like in summer? As we said, it's hot. So, do we wear raincoat and put on an umbrella? Of course not. Do we wear light clothes or we wear jackets, scarves, and ice caps? Because the weather is hot, so the best choice here is letter B, the one who is wearing light clothes. The next question, question number 50. Choose the picture that shows noon. Which one here shows noon? Letter A, which has long shadow. Letter B, it also has longer shadow but on the other side. Or letter C, the one which has a short shadow in the middle. As we studied before, during the noon time, here is the picture of the shadow. It's short and in the middle. 51. It is a space on the side of Earth that faces the sun. The part which has light here, the part which faces or opposite to the sun, it takes a lot of sunlight. Will it be day, night, or season? Of course, when this side or this part of Earth faces the sun or opposite to the sun, it will be day. So here it's letter A. Let's move to page number 8. Which picture shows where the sun is when you eat lunch? We have just said this time we call it noon. So the shadow will be short and in the middle. So it will be letter B. Which picture shows what your shadow looks like in the morning? Your shadow in the morning will be long or short? Of course, in the morning the shadow will be long shadow. So it's letter A. In the morning you will have a long shadow. Let's move to the next question. It's matching. You have 7 words here: star, constellation, orbit, planet, moon, solar system, rotate. We need to write the letter next to each word here next to the correct sentence or definition that represents it. Let's start with the first one, number 54. A ball of rock that moves around Earth. What is moving around Earth? It's the moon. The moon is a dark ball of rock that moves around Earth. It doesn't have any light. It takes its light from the sun, then reflects it on Earth. So the answer here will be letter E, moon. 55 means to spin around like a top. What does it mean to spin like Earth or like a top? It means rotate. Rotate means to spin or moves like a top. So it's letter G. 56. A ball of rock or gas that moves around the sun. What moves around the sun? You cannot say it's Earth because Earth is just one of 8 planets moving around the sun. So the answer here will be letter D. A planet is a ball of rock or gas that moves around the sun. The next one, 57. The sun, its planets and the planet's moons, all of them together, they form the solar system. So it's letter F. A bowl of hot gases. As we said, a bowl of hot or burning gases is a star, as it gives off its own heat and light. 59. A group of stars that form a pattern. They make a shape. What did we call this? We call it a constellation, which is letter B. The last one, number 60. A path each planet has around the sun. The way in which the planet moves around the sun is called an orbit. So it will be letter C. That's all for today. Next time we will complete solving the revision sheet. Thank you, grade 2, and see you next time.